In this tutorial, we'll go over a few things, uh, including creating coupon codes for your customers and your clients to get various discounts, whether it be a percentage, a dollar value, or a completely free item. Then we'll go ahead and use the coupon code to place an order as a customer, and then we'll check the various notifications we receive as a customer, receiving confirmation of the order in the email and notification in your inbox as the store owner for a new order. And then we'll go ahead and go through the steps of processing the order as a shop owner. And then once the item is shipped, we'll come back and update the order status and send tracking information to the customer. So we'll go ahead and log in to the backend. Go to the dashboard, which is your backend. We'll go and create a coupon under marketing, create go to coupons. We'll add a coupon and we'll say free item as a coupon code. This is what you would provide to your client or your customers to be able to get the discount. So this can be anything can be typed up here, but for the sake of this example, we'll write this as free item, and it's going to be 100% discount. Also be a dollar value, so we're going to go ahead with the percentage discount. We'll grant free shipping with this, and we will expire the coupon code the end 30th of October. You can also set the limits of how many times this coupon code can be used, whether it's unlimited use or one-time use per person or overall. Say you want to give out 5 free items only, you would limit this to 5. So just like the product, you gotta publish the coupon code. Now the coupon code is published, and we'll keep this in mind. The coupon code is free item. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll log out as the shop owner, and we'll go visit the website as a visitor, and we'll browse through the website and place an order for a product. So say customer wants to buy this simple hair product, so they would add this in the cart, and then we would check out. You can see the total here comes up to $32. So we'd go ahead and enter the coupon code, which is free item, apply the coupon code. Now you can see with the free shipping, it comes to $0. So we'll set this up to, I'll fill up the information here for the order. Okay, so, so we'll put the email address for the customer. So we're doing this checkout as a customer right now. So we'll go ahead and place the order. If there was a dollar value at this end, there would have been a credit card form to fill up the credit card information. But since this, for this example, this order comes up to $0, we'll just go ahead and place the order without the credit card information. So place the order, and you can see over here, this is the order confirmation email or notification. I mean, uh, your order number, the date, your total, what you purchased, your subtotal, your discount, your shipping, and your total. So this is what you would see. So two things will happen now. There'll be two emails that will be sent out automatically. One will go to the customer with the same information as displayed on this page, confirmation of the order, and then the second email will go to you as the store owner, notifying you that a new order was placed on your website so that you can start processing the order. So we'll go ahead and check our emails. So here's the customer's email. And when you open this email, this is the email you would get. Thank you for your order. And this would be the summary of the order, shipping address, the billing address, the total. So this would be the receipt and confirmation of order in the customer's email. Now we'll go ahead and check your email as the store owner. And over here you can see there is a new order email. Going back to the website, the order number was 365. You can see the email that you received also has 365. So you can see here the new order. You've received the following order from Full Web Solutions. This is the order number. Congratulations on the sale. So what you're going to do next is process the order. So you'd go to the website and log in as the shop manager. You would go to the back end and you will go to your orders, which would be under WooCommerce and then orders. So this is the order that we just received. These other orders are just previous example orders, but this is what we are focusing on right now, order number 365. So you click on it, you'll get the details of what product was purchased. You'll get details of the billing address, the shipping address. Shipping address is what you would need to send it out with either Canada Post or any other courier service. So at this point, you go ahead and get this product off your shelf. No, nothing on the computer. You go to your shelf, pick up this product, and you would head out to the post office, Canada Post, or any other company, and ship it out. So when you ship it out, you would receive a tracking code in your receipt. You need the tracking code to provide to your customer so that they can keep track on the shipment until they receive it. So suppose you receive the tracking number from Canada Post. For the sake of this example, we'll say the tracking code is 123456789. That's the tracking code from Canada Post. So you would go ahead, ship it out, come back to this order, and you can put a note here on the far right. These are the order notes. There are two types of notes you can put in here. You can put in private notes that only you can see as the shop owner, or you can send a note to the customer. So we'll send a note to the customer with the tracking information, and we'll say, thank you for your order. Your product has been shipped in Canada Post. Number 3456789, and then you add this note. So as soon as you add this note to the customer, what happens is an automatic email comes out and gets sent to the customer. So we'll go back to the customer's email here, and we'll refresh the email, and you can see here another email was just received. Note added to your Heather's Organic Hair order from October 11th. So you open that. You can see over here a note has been added to your order. This is what the customer would see. The following note has been added to your order. Thank you for your order. Your product has been shipped using Canada Post with tracking number 1 through 9. So this is what the customer would use and go to the Canada Post's website and type in that tracking number, and they could see tracking. Alternately, you could also send direct links to the tracking page. So say you go to Canada Post and say this is your tracking number. So say this is what you get from the receipt, the tracking number. So you would go enter the tracking number first before you send it out to the customer, and then when you see the tracking information page, you can just copy this address, and then you can send them the message as follows: thank you for your order. Your order has been shipped. Please check the status of the shipment using the link below. And then you paste that address here. And then what we'll do is we'll send the note to customer again. So now we go back to the customer's email. Again, this is just an example. So the first note was this one here. But now we've sent a note with the link to the Canada Post website. So here's the other email that just came in. You'd open that, and you can see now it says a note has been added to your order. Thank you for your order. Your order has been shipped. Please check the status of the shipment using the link below. And when the customer would click on this, it would take them to the Canada Post website, telling them where it's reached. So uh, the second method of giving tracking information is a lot better and friendlier, since the customer only has to click on the link. Okay, so once the shipment gets sent out, it may take a few days until it arrives to the customer. When you can see on your end that the delivery was done, all you got to do next is go ahead and close the order from your end. So again, you would come to the order again. So you would See, a few days later, if you come back to the website and you want to close that order, you would come back to the back end. You would go back to WooCommerce and then orders. You would open that order that got delivered, and then you would just go ahead, status to completed, and then you would just update. So in this case, the order has been completed. You can see here the order has been completed. So the entire cycle of shopping is completed, from placing an order from the customer to receiving an order at your end, shipping it out, updating the information back to the customer, and then closing the order. So hopefully this tutorial really helps. uh, because the order was just closed. You can see over here the customer also receives a final email saying, your thanks for shopping with us, we have finished processing your order. So this completes the tutorial for Heather's Organic Hair in terms of processing the order and completing the order. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact Full Web Solutions at any time. We are here to help you. Thank you and have a nice day.